Can I actually avoid all the expensive tax mistakes this year? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, and today we're going to talk about something that can save you a lot of money: avoiding expensive tax mistakes. As someone who's probably working hard to earn a living, you want to make sure you're keeping as much of your money as possible, right? Tax laws are super complex and change all the time, making it easy to get things wrong, even if you're trying your best. I mean, think about it. Tax codes are thousands of pages long, and it's hard to keep up with all the updates. That's why even diligent people can make errors that cost them big time, often without even realizing it. These mistakes can add up quickly, and before you know it, you're owing a lot more than you expected. The problem is, when you're busy with life, it's easy to miss some of these details. Imagine getting a letter from the IRS saying you owe thousands of dollars because of a simple mistake. It's stressful, right? And it's not just about the money, it's about the time and hassle of dealing with the fallout. You might need to spend hours on the phone, or even hire a professional to help you sort things out. That's time you could be spending on things you enjoy or growing your business. These mistakes can happen to anyone, and they're often avoidable. So let's get into some of the most common ones and how you can steer clear of them. One of the biggest mistakes people make is missing out on deductions they're eligible for. This can be due to not keeping proper records or not understanding what expenses qualify. For example, if you're self-employed, you might be able to deduct home office expenses, but you need to know how to calculate them correctly. Another mistake is misclassifying income, which can lead to owing more in taxes than you should. This can happen if you're not clear on the difference between business and personal income. A third mistake is failing to file or filing incorrectly, which can result in penalties and interest. And then there's the issue of incorrect estimated taxes, which can lead to underpayment penalties. To avoid these mistakes, one powerful strategy is to stay organized and plan ahead. Make sure you're keeping good records, and consider consulting with a tax professional if you're unsure about anything. They can help you navigate the tax laws and ensure you're taking advantage of all the deductions you're eligible for. The number one way to avoid tax mistakes is to have a solid tax strategy in place. This means understanding your financial situation, knowing what tax laws apply to you, and making informed decisions throughout the year. It's not just about crunching numbers at tax time, it's about being proactive and making smart choices that save you money in the long run. To recap, avoiding expensive tax mistakes is crucial for keeping more of your hard-earned money. By understanding the common mistakes and taking steps to prevent them, you can save yourself a lot of stress and financial pain. Remember, it's about being proactive and informed so you can make the most of your money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more financial tips. Share your biggest tax fears or questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
You can stand under my umbrella.